Hello everyone, welcome back to K2 Blogging, and in today's video I will show you the easiest way to change post type in WordPress. So if you have created a blog post and later you want to change that blog post into a page, then how you can do that? Or if you want to change multiple blog posts into pages, or if you have recently created a custom post type and you want to change some of the blog post into that custom post type, then how you can do that? So let me just show you an example. So let's go to the blog page here where you will see all the blog posts, and here you can notice that HTML sitemap refund policy. This should not be in the blog post section, it should be in the pages section. So how I can transfer these two pages to pages section? And here you can see we have the tutorial, and I want to change this blog post into its own custom post type video. So let me just show you how we can do that. So first of all, let me go to the dashboard here, and before that, if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. So as you can see, we have the post, pages, and we have created a custom post type called videos. So let's click on the post here, and here this is the two post HTML sitemap and refund policy. So either you have to delete it and recreate it in the pages section, which will takes a lot of time. So we can change the post type of this post. So for this, let's go to plugins, and I will click on add new. And here you need to install a plugin called post type switcher. So let me copy this and let me search for the plugin post type switcher, and let me quickly install and activate this plugin. Now if I want to change these two into pages, then what I can do is I will select these pages, click on bulk action, click on edit, and let's click on apply. Now here you will see this option post type. Just change that from post to page, and let's hit update. Now as you can see, those two posts are removed from here, and if you go to pages section, you will find those two pages, HTML sitemap and refund policy. Now let's go to the post here, and suppose I want to move this blog post into pages, then I can also do that by clicking on quick edit, and I can individually click on page and hit update. Or you can use the bulk action feature and change the post type of multiple blog posts at once. Now let's go to the pages section here, and here it is. This is the blog post, and we have changed the post type. Now let's click on quick edit and switch it to post. Before that, let me view this URL here, and you can see this is the URL, and let me change that, and let's hit update. Now let's go to the post, and here is the best ever gluten-free pasta. So let me find that. Here it is. Let me click on open in new tab. And you can see the URL is same, and you can easily change post type from post to page or page to post, or you can change it to any custom post type. Now let's go to the post section, and here we have 4 tutorials. So let me open one of the post here, and here as you can see, this is a video page. So I want to change this post type from post to video. So for this, I will click on post, and here is our video post type. Just click on that, and you can see there is no videos right now. Now let's go to post, and I will select this 4 video page, and I will click on bulk action, click on edit, and let's click on apply. Now I can change that to video, and let's hit update. Now let's go to the videos section here, and as you can see, all these are now added in the video custom post type. And this is how simple it is to change post type in WordPress. And if you don't know how to create custom post type, then do let us know in the comment section, and I will try to make a videos on that soon. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.